Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to enable RCS for one contact on Android if it's not working properly. Let's get started. First, we're going to reset carrier services. To do this, you want to open your settings. Then you want to scroll down and look for apps. Now you want to tap on the filter or sort icon, this one, and make sure that you have enabled the show system apps. Click OK. Then you want to search for carrier services. And from here, you want to choose force stop and confirm. Then go to storage and you want to clear data and confirm. This actually refreshes carrier services and helps RCS work properly. But if it's still not working for you, I have another fix. So basically, we're going to do the same thing. But first, you need to turn on airplane mode. Then from here, you want to search for the messaging app and basically do the same thing. Just go ahead and choose force stop and then storage. You want to clear data in cache as well. But there's another step. You want to click on this three icon or three dots, then choose uninstall updates. Once done, just go back and turn off the airplane mode. Then you want to open the Google Messages app again and send a message to that contact. You should see RCS chat enabled and you'll notice the bubble chat or the chat message indicator. And that's it. You just fixed RCS for that one contact on Android. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.